Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the Cartesian sign convention. In Cartesian sign convention, there are some rules which we are supposed to follow. To give sign to object distance, image distance, height of the object, height of the image, focus, etc. So first of all, we will start with convex lens. Cartesian sign convention says the distances which are measured opposite to the direction of the ray. Suppose this is direction of the light. The direction opposite to the direction of the light, these distances are considered to be negative. In the direction of the light, considered to be positive. Okay, that means the distances which we measure right of the lens, they are considered to be positive. Left side of the lens, they are considered to be negative. So here you see object is placed this side. So this is your object distance. All the distances are measured from optical center. Second rule, all distances are measured from optical center. So optical center to object. This distance is called object distance and is denoted by U. So object distance is negative. Because distances which are measured left of the lens, they are considered to be negative. Right of the lens, they are considered to be positive. So now you see here, right side we are having F. So F is considered to be positive. Image, if real, it form right side, then it will be positive image distance. But if image distance is virtual and direct, it form this side, left side, then in that case it will be negative. So distances which are measured right side of the lens, they are considered to be positive. Left side of the lens, they are considered to be negative. Above the principal axis, they are considered to be positive. So height of the object is always positive, height of the object. And image is formed, real and inverted image form below the principal axis. So the distances which are measured below the principal axis, they are considered to be negative. So height of the object is positive and height of the image is negative for real image. And for if virtual image, height of the object is also positive and height of the image is also positive. Okay. Now come to concave lens. Rules are same. All the distances are measured from optical center. The distances which are measured in the direction of the light, they are considered to be positive. Opposite to the direction, they are considered to be negative. So object distance, the object is placed this side. So this object distance is negative always. Focal length, focus is virtual focus. See here, for this lens, virtual focus. Focus is virtual. So this side, so distance from optical center to focus is your negative. And image also from this side. So image is also negative. Now what about height of the object? Height of the object is positive. Height of the object is height of the image is also positive because image form above the principal axis. So concave lens cannot form real and inverted image. It form virtual and direct image. So it is above the principal axis. So it will be considered to be positive always. So distances which are measured above the principal axis, they are considered to be positive. Below, considered to be negative. Left side of the lens, they are considered to be negative. Right side of the lens, they are considered to be positive. And direction of the incident ray is taken from left to right. All the distances are measured from optical center. So optical center to object is known as object distance. Optical center to image distance V. Optical center to focus, focal length, and is denoted by F. And relationship between U, V and F is known as lens formula. So here you see lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. This formula is called lens formula. Magnification. Magnification is the ratio between height of the image to height of the object. So magnification in mathematically we can write height of the image by height of the object. In terms of V and U, magnification can be written as V by U. In case of concave mirror, you have seen it was minus V by U. Now here in convex lens it is plus V by U. Here in mirror formula you have seen 1 by V plus 1 by U. In lens formula you find 1 by V minus 1 by U. So sign always taken into account. Now magnification tells us many things about the image. If magnification is equal to 1, then image is same size as the object. If magnification is greater than 1, then image is larger, and if it is smaller than 1, then image will be smaller than the object. And sign of the magnification also tells us many things. If magnification comes out to be negative, image is real and inverted, and if magnification comes out to be positive, it is virtual and erect image is formed. So this will help you to solve numerical problem.